In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vidnoz AI video generator, designed especially for beginners who are keen on exploring video creation with this powerful tool. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can make the most out of Vidnoz AI. First, to get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to vidnoz.com. If you're visiting for the first time, you'll need to sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process. I just provide your details, set a password, and you're good to go. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, look for the option that says Create Free AI Video. Click on this button to explore the wide array of templates Vidnoz offers. For beginners, I recommend starting with the tutorial/how-to template, but feel free to browse through the other templates to find one that perfectly fits your content style and goals. Vidnoz's diverse range of templates is one of its standout features, allowing you to experiment and find the perfect fit for your project. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to add a personal touch to your video. Vidnoz gives you the option to upload a photograph of yourself, or, if you prefer, you can choose from their extensive library of avatars. The library is varied and includes choices like employees and teachers, helping to add character to your videos and making them more engaging for your audience. This personalization step is crucial as it helps to establish a visual connection with viewers. Next, let's input the substance of your video. The script. You can either type it directly into the provided text box or paste it from a text document. Following this, Vidnoz enables you to customize the audio aspect of your video, select a language suitable for your target audience, and then choose the voice style and speed that best matches the tone of your content. Whether you prefer a formal delivery or something more casual, Vidnoz's versatile voice options have you covered. If you have a pre-recorded voiceover, you can upload that too, or you might opt to use Vidnoz's own text-to-speech feature to simplify the process. Finally, you're all set for the exciting part. Generating your video. Click the Create Video button and watch Vidnoz work its magic, transforming your inputs into a polished AI-generated video. Once your video is ready, Vidnoz provides you with options to share it instantly across different platforms, making it easier to reach your audience wherever they are. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a professional-looking AI video with Vidnoz. With practice, you'll discover more ways to enhance your content and make it stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy video creating!